on.
BB
guns.
Hold on. You ready? Hold on. Remember Pastor Troy? No Limit Studio. Can I speak to Master P?
Hey,
Master P ain't here. Tell him we want to go. I'm ready. Let's go.
Yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, like, some niggas was trying to man, the way I seen Tito snap in action, how we got out of that situation. You know what I'm saying? Because it could have went bad to where we would have had to put somebody on the news.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But the way he moved and maneuvered through that situation, I'm like, all right, now, I know how I'm working.
Real
with
shit.
That.